Hey, what's up, Buy Smart fam? Welcome back to another episode where we help you make those oh-so-tough purchasing decisions. Today, we have a showdown more intense than a reality TV finale. In the left corner, we have the budget-friendly Apple iPhone SE second generation, also known as iPhone SE 2. And in the right corner, the fancy-schmancy Samsung Galaxy S22. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one wild ride. All right, let's start with the first thing that makes our wallets cry. The price. iPhone SE 2 comes in at a sweet $156. That's like a quarter of a rent payment in New York City. On the other hand, the Galaxy S22 is strutting in with a price tag of $379. That's more expensive than my entire wardrobe. So if you're on a budget and still want to look cool, iPhone SE 2 might just be your new best friend. But if you've got some extra cheddar to spend, Galaxy S22 might be calling your name. Now let's talk battery and performance. iPhone SE 2 is like that old reliable car that just won't quit. Reviewers love its performance for everyday tasks, though the battery life is a bit of a mixed bag, lasting about 3 hours of screen time. But Galaxy S22? Oh boy, it's got an octa-core processor and 8 gigabytes of RAM. This thing is a beast. Reviewers praise its top-tier performance and decent battery life, making it perfect for gaming and multitasking. So, if you want a phone that can keep up with your binge-watching and gaming marathons, Galaxy S22 is your go-to. But if you prefer a phone that's like a dependable old friend, SE 2 is still in the game. Cameras, because, let's be honest, who even calls people anymore? iPhone SE 2 has a camera that, well, takes pictures. It's decent, but don't expect to win any photography awards. Reviewers find it sufficient for everyday use, but nothing special. Galaxy S22, though, it's got a 50 megapixels camera. You could probably spot aliens on Mars with this thing. Plus, it has a dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 120 Hz and HDR10+. Reviewers rave about its impressive camera capabilities and stunning display quality. So if you're all about that hashtag InstaLife, Galaxy S22 is the way to go. But if you're just snapping pics of your cat, SE 2 will do just fine. And now for the extras. iPhone SE 2 is unlocked and compatible with pretty much any carrier out there. It's like the universal remote of phones. Reviewers appreciate its versatility, but note the absence of extras like headphones or a SIM card. Galaxy S22, on the other hand, is like the Swiss Army knife of phones. Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C 3.2. It's got more connections than a Hollywood agent. Reviewers highlight its comprehensive connectivity options and additional features. So if you're a tech-savvy guru who loves all the bells and whistles, Galaxy S22 is your dream come true. But if you want something simple and reliable, SE 2 has your back. Overall, reviewers appreciate the iPhone SE 2 for its reliability and affordability, despite some concerns about battery life. On the other hand, the Galaxy S22 impresses with its powerful performance, exceptional camera, and extensive features, making it a hit among tech enthusiasts. All right, Buy Smart fam, there you have it. The battle of the century between iPhone SE 2 and Galaxy S22. Both have their perks, but it all comes down to what you need and what you can afford. So which one are you picking? Drop your choice in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic comparisons. Until next time, remember, buy smart, live smarter. Peace out. Product links are in the description.